I'm Sai from Sai Photography, and I just wanted to share with you how I kind of do my vlogging setup from home. I bought this cute little ring light that came with an adorable little trigger. It has a button for the iOS and then it has a button for Android. It's really simple. I have my Rode mic set up and it's attached to my iPhone. The ring light is literally sitting right on my desk. I put a backlight behind me just to kind of, be dramatic with it, That's how we roll. And then and that's it. I'm gonna take a picture of all of this so that way you can kind of see how I set it up, but I want to show you the little features of this ring light because I think it's really cool. I mean, if you're planning on vlogging from home or doing a podcast, this is actually a sweet deal. So this is kind of like the little setup that's attached to the light, and we can go lighter with the light. Get really dark. We can get brighter, or we can actually change color. So if we want it a little bit warmer, if we want a little cooler, and then a little neutral light. But I think that's pretty cool. So if you're interested in buying something that's like really economical, this is kind of like the way to go. My Rode mic is probably the most expensive thing about this setup, and here I'll show you what it looks like. This is the Rode mic. It's set up with the iPhone. As you can see, when I move it, it shakes, but when I do my vlogging, it will not be moving from my desk. But I will share everything down below. If you know of anything else that is much better to be using for vlogging that is not gonna break my bank account, because a girl's gotta feed a family, leave your comments in the link below and let me know what you're using. Share with me, and follow, share, like, all that good stuff, and I will follow you back, and I will share everything that I learned along the way. And I'm going to use my trigger to sign off. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and please share. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. Some good content in there.